Solar Python only. Correct? Yes. So what we have seen is, so in the last class, so we are talking about strings and string functions, right? Okay. I said you about working with the string functions. And in that, I said formatting strings. In formatting strings, I said there are different ways of formatting. That is old style string formatting, new style string formatting, and one more is a F string. There is a old style and new style, and one more is what? F string. Okay, so these are different formatting, and these are the formatting characters. I said this is D is for decimal, O is for octal, X is for hexadecimal, and B is for binary. Okay, and F is for float in fixed, and E is for exponential. But this is called as which formatting? New style. But there is one more way of formatting it that is called as F string. So this F string is introduced in Python 3.8. There's one more style of formatting by using which one here? F string. So this F string, actually this F string is introduced in Python 3.8 somewhere. Oh, Python F string is introduced. F string is there. 3 point, I think Python 3.6. Yes. So there is a F string. F string is nothing but format string. F string or format string is introduced in Python. Okay, 3.6 version. F string or format string. F string or format string is introduced in Python 3.6. Okay, the string is prefixed with what here? F. Okay, it can be small f or it can be what? Capital F. The string is prefixed with F. So this F can be either small f or it can be what here? Capital F. The string is prefixed with F and this F is a small f or what is that? Capital F. So the string contains formatting fields. The string contain formatting fields or replacement fields. The string contain formatting fields or replacement fields which are replaced with what? Values. The string contain formatting fields or replacement fields, and this formatting fields or replacement fields are replaced with what here? Values. This formatting fields or replacement fields are replaced with what here? values. These fields are replaced with what here? Values. So just try to understand. This is called as F string, or same thing is called as a format string. For example, suppose assume that the value of A is 10 and the value of B is what here? 20. I can write print, okay, format, print the value of A and print value of B. So here, this whatever you write in the curly brace, it is called as one replacement field. And this field is replaced with the value of what? A. And this field is replaced with the value of B. Okay, so what is the values it print? 10 comma 20. For example, I'm saying print format. Okay, sum of A, sum of A and B, sum of A and B is, I'm just writing here A plus B. So here A is a variable, and the value of A is a 10 and the value of B is what? 20, and the value of A plus B is what? 30. So what is the result? You'll get sum of 10 and 20. Sum of 10 and 20 is what here? 30. Okay, it means formatting the output becomes very easy. Now suppose I want to display this values in different formats. So format print A value in decimal format. Okay, comma print A value in octal format. Comma print A value in what? Hexadecimal format. Comma print A value in which format? Binary format. So here A is the name of the variable and D is what here? Format. It is called as a formatting type or formatting character. You are trying to print the value of A in decimal format. You are printing the value of A in which format? Octal format. You are trying to print the value of A in which format? Hexadecimal format. You are trying to print the value of A in which format? Binary format. Now you can see the value of A is a 10 and this is 12 and this is A and this is 1010. So 1010. Now this value is in which format? Binary format. 1010 means now this value is in which format? Binary format. Okay. Yes. In the same way, for example, F1 equal to 1.5 and F2 equal to some 2.5. So I can print it directly. I don't require to use dot format. I can print directly F1 value and F2 value by replacing it. Now the value of F1 is 1.5. The value of F2 is what? 2.5. If you want to define number of precisions, you are printing the value of F1 with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. You are trying to print the value of F2 with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Now you can see 1.50 and 2.50. So 1.50 and one more is what? 2.50. Because you try to display with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Means I don't require to use dot format. Okay, I can use directly with string here, format string. I can use it directly with string, format string. So format string contain replacement fields where you are replacing each field with one value, right? Where you are replacing each field with one value. But how you are defining the fields within curly braces, how you are representing the fields within curly braces. For example, a simple example, suppose write a program to find some area of which one circle. Now write a program to find area of circle. So where you are trying to input the radius of the circle. So input enter. What is that here? Radius of circle. Input enter radius of circle. After reading the radius of circle, I'm finding the area area equal to some 3.147 into r into what is that r. So this is called as pi r square. And after that, you are trying to display the area by saying format area of circle is. I try to print the value of area with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Now this formatting using format string becomes very easy. So what is the name of the variable? Area. And you are displaying the value of area with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. You are displaying the value of area with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places you are displaying it. You are displaying with how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Okay. So once you run this, it's asking enter radius of circle, which is 1.5. And you can see area of circle is, what is the area of circle is? 7.08. What is the area of circle is? 7.08. Is called as an area of which one? Circle, right? But in this example, you have to understand only formatting the output. And this formatting is done using which string? Format string. This formatting is done using which string? Format string. And this formatting is done in different ways. One is called as old style formatting. Second one is new style formatting. In old style formatting, you are using percentage, which is called as string interpolation operator. In new style string formatting, you are using format function. In f string, you are using a string which is prefixed with what? F. But all these are used for formatting which one? Output only. All these are used for formatting what? Output only. All these are used for formatting only, right? Okay. Now this is what we are talking about format function. But before format function, I said there are different ways of formatting also. Okay. Yes. In string methods, okay, I said find. After this, I said which one? Format. But I have not only said format, even we have seen old style string formatting, f string, as well as which function? Format function, right? The next one is str dot index of. Str dot index of. Now string functions continuation of it. Str dot index of str dot index. If you want to find the index of, but it is similar to which one? Find. But this will raise the value error when the string is not found. But find will return. If the string is not find, it will return -1. Yesterday I said find. Find will return -1 if the string is not there within the string. But index will rise which one? Error, if the string is not there within the string. So it is similar to find, but rises which error? Value error, when the substring is not there inside what? String. If the string is not there within the string, then it rises which error here? Value error. If the string is not there within the string, then it rises which error? Value error. Okay, so that is a find. Okay, suppose just see the differences here. For example, str1 is there. So Python, Java, and C and C++. I want to find, I'm saying str dot find. I want to find the Java. I want to find the position of Java. So Java is there in which position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Java is there in which position? 7. Suppose if I'm writing str1 dot index, and I want to find the index of which one? Java, and this is also written what? Same. Now this both are what here? Same. Suppose if I'm writing str1 dot find, so I want to find the C++. Okay, this written index of C++. str1 dot index, if I'm writing C++, it will return the index of what again? C++. Both are same. If I'm writing str1 dot find, I want to find which one? Oracle. Is it Oracle is there or not there? Not there. Then what find will return is -1. What find is written here? -1. Because is it the string is there inside the string here? No. The string is not there inside the string, so it is written what here? -1. But if I'm using str1 dot index, if I write Oracle, is it string Oracle is there inside the string? No. Then it rises what here? Error. So what is it error? It is raised value error. Substring not found. It is raised which error here? Value error. Is it this string is there inside this string? No. So what is the difference between find and index is both will return the position, but find will not raise any error if the string is not find inside the string. Rather than it returns what here? -1. But index will raise the error if the string is not there inside the string. Index will raise the error if the string is not there within the string. It will raise what here? Error if the string is not there within the string. So that is where you find a difference between index, and one more is what? Find. Okay, right? So this is how you are trying to do it. So that is str dot index. That is str dot what is that? Index, right? Next one is string examine functions. Now you want to examine. Examine means you want to check. String examine functions. So there is some functions like to find out whether a string is an alphanumeric string or not. You want to know whether string is a string is alphanumeric string or not. So return true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. Okay, return true if all characters. Return true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. And there is at least one character other than this alphanumeric, then it written what? False. For example, username is there. Username should be what? Alphanumeric. Username should be what? Alphanumeric. Means username can be alphabets or it may contain what? Numbers, right? It may contain alphabets as well as what? Numbers. So it is a combination of anything, right? It may contain only alphabets. It may contain alphabets and numbers. It may contain only numbers. Alphanumeric means that. For example, if I'm writing S1 equal to, if I'm writing S1 equal to ABC, if I'm writing S1 equal to ABC, and if I'm writing S1 is alphanumeric or not. Now, is it S1 is alphanumeric? Yes. Because alphanumeric means don't think that it should contain only alphabets and numbers. Even it contain only alphabets also, it is called as which one? Alphanumeric. So what is the value written? True. Suppose if I am writing S2 equal to some 123. Is it S2 is the alphanumeric? Yes. So alphanumeric. Is it S2 is the alphanumeric? Yes. S2 is also which one? Alphanumeric. It may contain only alphabets. It may contain only digits. Okay, it may contain both alphabets as well as what? Digits. Okay, even this is also called as which one? Alphanumeric. So what is the value written? True. But it should not contain any special character. If I'm writing ABC 123 dollar, if I'm writing ABC 123 dollar, and if I say S4 dot is alphanumeric, if I'm saying S4 dot is alphanumeric, then what will happen? It rises what? It is displayed what here? False. Because is a special character is allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. It contain either only alphabets or only digits. Alphabets and what? Digits. But it will not allow any special